So the result for the Reggae Grammys are out. I don't think anyone is really surprised. People might be disappointed, but I don't know about being surprised. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the red carpet and break down the big winner of the night and why people would be disappointed for those who are disappointed. So let's break it down. Yes, so first thing I'd like to do is take a look at Vybz Kartel arriving to the Grammy Awards with his fiancée Sidel on his hand, and to some of the reaction from Vybz Kartel being at the Grammy. So that's the first thing I'd like to take a look at.
You see somebody, world boss! Yo! World boss! Mama, you know good, you know my youth!
Respect.
Bro, yo, no, you don't understand. Yo, bro, Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
Let me sit here right in front of you and give you your flowers, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome back home, bro. Welcome, bro.
Pleasure, sir.
I know you're having an amazing time right now.
Of course, 13 years in prison, and I come out and I'm in America 6 months later.
Bro, do you know I literally learned to whine to your songs like this in the backyard party, whine up?
Bob,
bro,
love that.
no cap, bro. I love Jamaica so much, bro.
I know that. You were there the other day.
Yes, bro. We have to go to Jamaica together soon.
Unfortunately, hell yeah.
Bro.
Where's your Asian friend?
Ray?
Yeah.
Ray right now, he want to go to the military.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro.
Yes, bro. Bro, have a good night, though, bro. I got to keep in
very
contact
much.
with you, bro.
Yeah, you should.
Hold on, can I see your number now?
Of course.
Bro,
Of course. Okay, good.
world boss.
This is not for the crowd, okay?
All right, yeah, I already know
So
it.
we can't.
Me know.
That's me, G.
Yo,
Yeah, man. That's me, man.
I got you. I'm gonna lock you.
Lock it in.
I'm gonna lock you in. I'm gonna shoot you a text over, bro.
All right.
All right, be safe. All right, respect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yo.
Okay, so that was Vybz Kartel arriving at the Grammy Awards. So next thing I'm going to look at is the results from the Grammy Award. And as I said, like, some people might be disappointed, but this is no surprise of the winner. Yes, so the big winner of the night, the Bob Marley One Love. And as I said, a lot of people in Jamaica would be disappointed. And I must say, for the first time, like, I would be one of those person disappointed. And it's hard to be disappointed when a Bob Marley album wins the Grammy. But this one just feel a bit different. Because it is a soundtrack, I guess that's the reason there were no Marley in attendance. We didn't see any of them on the red carpet. And we saw the people who received the awards. There was no Marley in sight. So it just felt like not a win for Jamaica, because none of those people that collected the awards were Jamaicans, and it just didn't seem like a win for Jamaica. So, like, personally, like, I'd have rather like Chensia or Vybz Kartel to have won that, because it would feel more like a celebration in Jamaica. People would be celebrating, but I guarantee you that people in Jamaica watching this did not feel like Jamaica won, because, as I said, a soundtrack, there was no Marley in sight on the red carpet or to collect the award. So I wouldn't blame people for feeling disappointed, because I that's how I feel. You know, to be honest, that's how I feel, disappointed that it just didn't seem like a win for Jamaica. So let's take a look at the red carpet and see, you know, like Chensia, who showed up on the red carpet, and Vybz Kartel. And we just go through and show some footage of those two on the red carpet. This would be Chensia, I think, second time, but Vybz Kartel first time on the red carpet, and I'm sure this won't be his last. Let's take a look.
Us here tonight, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations are definitely in order. I mean, you received the information about the nomination, you know,
Yes, that was
at a
amazing.
time of also, you know, finding that freedom. Can you talk about what that meant to you?
I mean, it meant a lot, and it just made me believe in God more and myself more. Because think about it, I'm coming from jail, and now I'm nominated for Grammy Award. You know what I mean? I'm in LA. What could be better, man? Life is a blessing, so I have to give thanks. Yes.
You know, we had Shanisa here earlier, and we were talking about influences and her as a woman kind of being the face of the genre right now, the new up-and-comer. But obviously, she listed you as an influence. And for those of our audience that aren't familiar with dancehall and reggae, you are a literal living legend. So what does it mean that you are you've helped birth this new, generation of artists?
I mean, it's an accomplished feeling because we put in the work, and the same way I stand on the shoulders of giants, like the Buju Banton, the Ninja Mans, the Beanie Mans. So it's good that kids can come along and say Vybz Kartel influenced them. So it's like a pay forward, Yes. So it's a great feeling. It's an accomplished feeling, and it's humbling as well.
And what does the genre need to continue to do to continue to move forward and progress?
I think we just need to find the balance between the art and the commerce, because Jamaican music can be very rough, very kind of intolerant at times. So once we find that balance, especially the young kids coming up, they will do great, trust me.
That's interesting because the way that you recognize, you mentioned intolerance.
Yes.
And I know a lot of us who aren't familiar with the culture would seeing certain things that we didn't know about, and then as an adult we found out, oh, that means this, that means that. So do you think it is a conscious thing with artists now saying we are going to kind of change?
Change is inevitable, and it's the only change is inevitable, and it's the only constant. So, and I believe in that change. Because it's a global marketplace, it's one world, and everybody needs to do them. That's simple as that. That's it.
Music has been, especially in the Caribbean, has been used to really speak out, in favor of politics, against politics. How do you see things continuing to kind of shift in that way?
Caribbean music, yes, strong on social commentary. And it's still happening now, especially now, because a lot of things are taking place in the Caribbean in terms of the social changes, and it's a good thing. So we have people like Buju Banton still fighting the good fight. Bob Marley's a legend, even in death. So yeah, and I have my conscious songs as well. Not a lot, but
you gotta have the balance, right?
Exactly, we need the balance.
The fun needs to be there as well.
Yes, ma'am.
If it makes you feel better, I've been to many a basement party with Vybz Kartel music.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shout out to Brooklyn.
Yes, BK. Yeah. True.
Thank you so much for the time. We
definitely
appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're live and well, and we're here living in the moment.
Yeah, I love that. Now, you are one of the faces of the new movement of, music coming out of the Caribbean, Jamaica, dance, reggae. What's it like kind of being the it woman for that particular genre right now?
Wow, I must say I'm grateful, and I have no complaints. I'm just trying to live in the moment, as I said before, and I'm giving God thanks, and I'm trying to put in the work and not get distracted.
And who are some of those giants for you just early on in your career that you really look up to, where now you're coming to these award shows, you're getting that acclaim and recognition for your music, and you say, oh, I'm rubbing elbows with these people?
Vybz Kartel for sure, because we're both nominated in the same category. Rihanna, just plenty of people. I'm here. Whitney has passed on, Michael Jackson has passed on, so they're not with us anymore, but those are some of my faves.
Now, you are known for going viral, breaking the internet.
True. True.
What's it like just, having that kind of presence on social media and having so many people interested in what you do? Because you're always coming up on my timeline.
Wow, thank you. I just try to be mindful of what I put out there. I have to watch it like 10 times.
Okay, guys, so that was it for the Reggae Grammy 2025. Bob Marley won for the One Love soundtrack for the movie. Sound off in the comment section and let me know what you feel about this win for the Reggae Grammy 2025. Are you disappointed? Who would you have rather seen? Would you have rather seen Vybz Kartel or Chensia? And just sound off and let me know what you feel about this win for Bob Marley, the soundtrack album for the One Love movie. Sound off in the comment section and let me know what you feel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.